Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Daily. In today's video we are going to answer a secret code for a treasury as I used to provide it daily. If this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. And then again, don't forget, make sure you watch the video from beginning to end so that you may not miss any update. So let's click on the hint, like as we used to click on the hint in the theater. So because like earlier we have been finding our hints in the follow, but now our code it is used to be like figure out in this cinema that we have. So let's click on the hint. So the code of the day it is valor. So let's go and import our code so that we should confirm the code. So let's come for here, which is quest. Let's come for activities. Let's enter the code. As you can see, let's click on check. So congratulations, have been imported the correct code. So here it is. If this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. So don't make sure you share the daily quiz that you like, daily code that you get to your story so that you will get an increment of system treasury points. So here is. So thank you.